In the first part of the play, it is Lady Macbeth who has to persuade Macbeth to kill the king. We will proceed no further in this business. Art thou afeard to be the same in thine own act and valour as thou art in desire? I dare do all that may become a man. Who dares do more is none. Macbeth feels guilt immediately after killing the king, but Lady Macbeth sees guilt as a weakness of character, something that can be washed off. This is a sorry sight. A foolish thought, to say a sorry sight. Will all great Neptune's ocean wash this blood clean from my hand? A little water clears us of this deed. How easy is it then? However, as the play progresses, Macbeth stops informing his partner of greatness of his murders, and Lady Macbeth discovers that it is not as easy to shake off guilt as she had initially presumed. Out, damned spot! What, will these hands ne'er be clean? Does everybody change over time? Is there anything in your life that you have changed your opinion on over time? How would you define guilt? Why do you think guilt is such a powerful emotion? Are there any other emotions which are equally as powerful?